So if you all travel a lot, and I hope you do, and if you need to take supplements or medications with you, this is the easy way to deal with all of this. Handy dandy muffin tin. Inserts are important because they make it easy. You put the meds in and you pick it up like this and you just dump it into the little baggie. Really easy. Allow me to illustrate. That's how fast it is. So let's just try another one. So one of these is for daytime, one's for nighttime, because we're going for 12 days. So 12 in each one of these. And this goes pretty darn quick. And now we just take one of these, drop it in there. It's that easy. Goes really fast now. You're welcome.